All right, our next document that we're going to do is called an agenda. Agendas are used kind of like a schedule in business, so that for like something like a convention or a meeting, so everybody knows what order the different events are going to take place. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank Word document, and let's go ahead and do our no spacing with this one. And the other thing I want you to do is get your cursor centered. Remember up here our paragraph alignment buttons. Go ahead and center that. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and type the heading here. You can see the NC FBLA. You're just going to double space between, so you'll enter twice. And then go ahead and enter twice again. And let's get your cursor back to the left. Alright, now here's where things get a little tricky. We're going to do something called tab stops, and they're also going to have something called leaders. Leaders are like little lines that allow the reader to easily scan the page and follow the different events and times. You see them a lot also in like something like a church bulletin or a program for a concert or something like that. Alright, now the first thing we need to do is we need to come up here, find paragraph, and there's that little button or little square right in the corner there. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to click tabs. Alright, now here's where things get just a little bit tricky. The first thing we're going to type is our tab position, and we're going to type a 1. Okay, just a 1, and that's what that means is it's going to set the first tab and move it just 1 inch. So that's going to be left. We can leave that alone. No leader for that one, and just click set. Okay. Alright, now notice this is highlighted. Just leave it there. We're going to set our second one is going to be 6.5. Okay, and this one you're going to change the alignment to right, and you're going to change your leader to number 2. Okay, and then the third thing you need to do again is you got to click set. So we've got 2 tab settings, a 1 inch and a 6.5. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, now you'll be given a handout of the agenda, and you're going to go ahead and the first thing you're going to type is 6 o'clock. Okay, and you're going to press your tab key, which is on the left side of your keyboard, 1 time. And you're going to type call to order and welcome. And you will get a handout which will have this. You don't have to copy this off the screen. Alright, now, the first tab goes 1 inch. And it moves from here to here to start that. This second tab is the one that's going to put the leaders or the little dots, and it's going to right align. So we're going to go ahead and tab, and then we're going to type the first person at the end is going to be Claudia Skinner. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and enter. Now, there's also some things underneath Claudia's name which are not going to involve tabs, so we're simply going to go up here to where it says right align. Okay, and you're going to put some information in there. Okay, so we've pretty much finished the 6 o'clock information. Okay, now the next thing we need to do, this cursor you can see is right aligned. We need to get it back left aligned by going up here. And then the second item is going to be at 6:10. Okay, and you're going to tab 1 time. Notice how the cursor is going to line everything up so it's nice and neat. And we're going to put in minutes of September meeting. Okay, and you see the little dots again, so you know you got a tab. And then you're going to put the next person's name in, which is Kathy Worthington. All right, if you follow the directions correctly, when you finish everything, this is what it looks like. It looks very much like a program. And that's what an agenda is, basically. It's something that shows the events and the order that they're going to happen in. If you follow those directions, you should be fine. It's not really that much typing. Your file name is going to be agenda, so make sure you get that in there and make sure you get it submitted. And that's it for today. Bye.